Okay, hello guys, and welcome to DTW tutorials. Welcome. Okay, so it has come to my attention today, two people have messaged me on please, I put in my email on my JAMB portal, but it's still bringing out the last year they took JAMB. I think one says it's bringing out 2024, is it bringing out 2023? Okay, so JAMB has not uploaded 2025 portal details yet. When they do so after your exam, after the results are out. Even after the results are out, it takes another time again for them to upload your results. Okay, so it is after your exam, that's when your 2025 details would appear. So please stop worrying about, there are some things you should stop worrying about and just focus on your exam. 23 days to examination. Don't let anything disturb you. Focus on your exam. So the portal for 2025 is not yet activated. It has not been uploaded yet for anybody. So it is not a problem. It will be after your results are out. Okay? So please focus on your examination. All right? 23 days. What you should be doing now is, that's less than 3 weeks plus. What you should be doing now is practice. Focus. And I invite you to join us DTW online classes. We're having 3 standard mocks within the next 3 weeks, and we're going to revise them for each subject. 3 standard mocks, and there will be revision. So that's like covering the whole syllabus from the beginning in the revision. So you can join us. It's 7,000 naira monthly. And if you can't join us, you can also get the DTW JAMB CBT app on your Apple Store, on Google Play Store for Android, for Apple phones. If you want for your laptop, WhatsApp me. I would also send you the link to download on your laptop. That's your Windows laptop. Okay, so you need to practice. It contains all your authentic past question for all your subjects, name it, all your subjects. And to activate it, it costs 4,000 naira. So please do get that to practice. And finally, if you're having any issues, email issues, incorrect, there's a solution for it. So please just WhatsApp me. All right, WhatsApp me on that. Anything bothering you and all that, there's always a solution. So don't let anything make you lose focus. Focus on your examination, I beg you. Okay? And so finally, don't forget that Jesus Christ is coming soon. Please do give your life to Christ, for He's the way, He's the truth, and He's the life. And He loves you. See, His mercies endureth forever. Do you get me? His mercies endureth forever, and is available for everyone. Come to Jesus today. Okay? And from us, from DTW Tutorials, you are destined to win. Please practice. Get the CBT app. It is timed. Please don't enter the exam hall without practicing enough. You have years from 1992 to date. Practice every year on the DTW JAMB CBT app. If you want to activate it, just WhatsApp us. My WhatsApp details is on the video description box or profile bio. So WhatsApp us. And for the Apple also, you want to activate, WhatsApp me. Please practice. This is the time to practice, I beg you. Okay? Because what it does is it boosts your confidence. Okay? And helps you remove all those tension. You get my point? So please, I makes you basically exam ready. Be on that exam mode by practicing. All right? So thank you from DTW Tutorials. You are blessed and you are destined to win. Please do share this video with your friends, family, and loved ones. And any other information, just join our groups. Join our groups. I'll notify you of when mock printing will start, when your main exam printing, sleep printing will start. So join our WhatsApp group, our Facebook group, our Telegram group. In the Telegram group, there are a lot of materials for you. The audio version of the Lucky Changer, if you want to just listen to it, just like 2 hours 46 minutes, listen to the whole book. And what else again? It's free. It's there. Your formula sheet's free there. Okay. On Friday, we're also going to be having a seminar. So we've been having seminars every weekend. So the seminar on Friday is on chemistry calculation, how to tackle them. So just be on the group and you'll be notified. Take care. You are blessed.